Hello, my wonderful readers. Today we're diving into the exciting world of investing, focusing on a powerful tool, ETFs. This is part of our ongoing series to empower you to take control of your financial future. Investing can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. We're here to break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand pieces. Let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like baskets of stocks or bonds. They offer a simple way to invest in a variety of assets with a single purchase. Think of it like a pizza with different toppings. You get a slice of everything instead of just one ingredient. ETFs trade on stock exchanges just like individual stocks. This means their prices fluctuate throughout the trading day. They're a convenient and flexible way to diversify your investment portfolio. When you buy an ETF, you're buying shares of that fund, not the individual assets within it. Each ETF tracks a specific index, sector, or theme. For example, an S&P 500 ETF holds stocks in the same proportion as the S&P 500 index. As the underlying assets in the ETF's portfolio increase or decrease in value, so does the ETF's price. This makes ETFs a great way to gain exposure to a broad range of investments without having to buy each one individually. Section 4. Exploring the ETF universe. A world of options. The world of ETFs is vast and diverse. There are ETFs for nearly every investment strategy imaginable. You can find ETFs that focus on specific sectors like technology or healthcare. Others track broad market indexes like the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. There are also ETFs that specialize in bonds, commodities, real estate, and even socially responsible investing. This variety allows you to tailor your investments to your specific goals and risk tolerance. Section 5. The ETF Advantage. Why choose ETFs? ETFs offer several key advantages for investors of all levels, especially beginners. Firstly, they're incredibly cost-effective. ETFs typically have lower expense ratios compared to actively managed mutual funds. This means you keep more of your investment returns. Secondly, ETFs are highly diversified. They offer instant exposure to a basket of assets, reducing the impact of any single stock or bond on your overall portfolio. Finally, ETFs are very transparent. You always know what's inside an ETF, making it easy to understand your investments. Section 6. Ready to dive in? ETFs await. As you've learned, ETFs offer a user-friendly and cost-effective way to invest in the stock market. They provide diversification, flexibility, and transparency, making them suitable for both novice and experienced investors. Consider adding ETFs to your investment toolkit and explore the exciting possibilities they offer. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. Start small, stay informed, and watch your money grow.